Morning everyone. Today I am going to teach you what is synonyms, what is antonyms, what is homonyms and what is homophones. Okay ma'am. So what is synonyms? Synonyms means that the word which have the same meaning. Synonym means the word which have the same meaning or similar meaning. See, synonyms are the word which have similar meaning. For example, the word happy. The word, what is the example here? We are taking the example of happy. Happy has the synonyms. What are the synonyms here? Contented, this is happy. Cheerful, it means happy. Merry, it means happy. Joyful, it means happy. Believe, it means happy. These all words get the only singular meaning, that is happy. That is synonym. Okay, see here. Some more words are there. Amazing. Okay, what is the word here? Amazing. The synonym is, first one is incredible. Incredible. And then second one is unbelievable. The meaning of incredible and unbelievable is amazing. It has the same meaning. Next, answer. Okay, next what I am taking? Answer. Answer means to reply, isn't it? Answer means to reply. Reply and respond. Reply and respond. This meaning, the same meaning of answer. Reply me, respond to my question. It means give the answer, isn't it? So next, angry. What is next one? Angry. The similar meaning of angry is wrathful and furious. Wrathful and furious. These are the same meanings of amazing, angry and answer. I hope you understand, ma? No. For next, antonyms. Antonyms is nothing but opposites. Antonyms is nothing but opposites. Antonyms are the words which are opposites. It means to one another. Antonyms to are given in the dictionary. See here, opposites, you know, no? From starting to you are reading the opposites. See, for happy the opposite word is sad. For old the opposite word is young or new. For accept the opposite is refuse or deny. For fourth one, what is that? Accurate. Accurate opposite word is inaccurate or unbearable. Okay. Next, alive. Alive means to be in life, isn't it? Alive. The opposite word is dead. Okay. Dead and sluggish. Okay. Antonyms means opposite. Synonyms means similar meaning. Antonyms are opposites. Okay. Now, homonyms. Next one is homonym. What is homonym? A word that is spelt and pronounced like another word but that has a different meaning. See here, the word which has split pronunciation is similar but the meaning is different. The pronunciation is similar but the meaning is different. That is called homonyms. So, river bank. River bank means, you know na, what is river bank? So here is a bank. Here what we are taking? River bank and the bank. The bank which we keep the money, isn't it? The bank means the place where we keep our money. That is bank. But the same meaning is river bank. River bank means the edge of the river, isn't it? The corners or edges of the river. Sun and sun. SUN, sun means, as you know, that is sun. Okay. SON, sun, the pronunciation is same. Sun and sun. Sun means, what is sun? My son. My son, Rehan. You can say as a child, my child, my son. Okay. One. OW1. One means to get some victory. ONE1 means one. Isn't it? The same pronunciation is same but the meaning is different. Our. Our hour. Okay, what is HOU or hour? Hour means ఒక గంట, isn't it? 1 hour. But hour means hours. These all hours. Like this mail. MAL mail means emails, as you know. MAL email means a man, isn't it? So the pronunciation is same for the words, but the meanings are different. That is homonyms. Homonyms is nothing but the pronunciation is same, but the meaning is different. Now, homophones. What is homophones here? A homophone is a word that sounds the same as another word but has a different meaning, whether the spelling is also different. See here, homophones means it pronounces the same thing, spelling also same, but the meaning is different. But in a homophones, the pronunciation is same, but the spelling is different and the meaning is also different. So what is homophones? Now I will explain. ACCEPT accept, EXPET accept. The pronunciation is same, but the meaning is different, isn't it? I accept all the fruits. I like all fruits except banana. See, fair, fair. See, this fair is the brightness. Okay, this fair is fairy tales. Now, 8. 8 means 8. Okay, 88 means to eat something. Eat past is 8. 8 and 8. Next, soul. SOL soul, SOUL soul. Soul means in the shoe we get something like this. In every shoe we get a small piece of cloth, the same shape in the shoe, that is called soul. And another soul is our spirit. So Atma, that is soul. So SOL soul, SOUL soul. Roll, roll. Here this roll is yours. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rule number. This rule is to rule something. To rule something. Okay, that is rule. Okay, beta. What is homonyms? The words which the same meaning, same spelling, but the meaning is different. Homophone is it has a different spelling and different meaning, but pronunciation is same. I hope you understand this class. If you have any doubts, please call me.